You guessed it. We're reviewing another Jordan 1.
They call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me Notes, huh?
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy C Notes, and welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I want to shout out everybody for still rocking with your boy. I know it's been a couple of days since I uploaded. It's like 90 degrees in Brooklyn. Allergies been killing me, man. But we back. I got on the Get Rich merch, thousandaire, cause everybody want to be a millionaire, but who wouldn't mind being a thousandaire? If you want this shirt, any colorway, you already know what to do. At CNO718 on Instagram or Twitter. Write your boy a message. Let's talk about it. Let's get you one ASAP. But speaking of merch, I want to shout out Rockstar Bracelets. She makes luxury, dope bracelets. Sometimes she even make a match with your sneakers. Let me show y'all some pictures. Yeah, so that's Rockstar Bracelets. Follow her on Instagram. Tell her your boy Cino sent you. You might get a discount. Go holler at her. Rockstar Bracelets, Instagram. But now, this is Sneaker Notes. So we came to talk about sneakers. And today we talking about the Jordan 1 Homage to Homes. Finally released worldwide, not just Chicago, not just the number pair. I got a pair in hand. We gonna review them, but before we can review them, all my loyal subscribers know how we start the channel. We gotta see what's on foot, baby. So after you hit that subscribe button, maybe you shared it if you fuck with me. I need you to go in that comment section below and tell me what you want on foot while you're viewing the video. Today, I went old school a little bit. Not OG, but old school. And I got on a Jordan 6, what they call these? What kind of red? You know Jordan always get fancy. Infrared Jordan 6s. They look like this. Yeah, so those are the infrared Jordan 6s. I like them. I would rather the OGs, but those are one retro that's like not coming back every couple of years like every other retro. But when they come back, I'm on them. Now, without further ado, you got your Jordan 1 Homage to Homes. And you see that size is 10.5. That means they belong to me. Now this video should have been uploaded, but like I told you, my allergies was killing me. Brooklyn is hot as hell right now, man.
And many folks are heading to the beaches and to the boardwalks to beat the heat on this sweltering day.
We are in the concrete jungle. Concrete, granite here, cement.
That, of course, Jeff, good advice. Making it through this week of dangerous heat means following some other common sense suggestions to prevent heat-related illnesses like...
But these came out a couple weeks ago, only in Chicago. Only difference was the pairs were numbered. They tried to say that the material was a little better on those pairs, but I already took a sneak peek at these and I believe the material is the same. But I want y'all to see, and y'all tell me if y'all think the material is the same. So again, we got your old school Jordan 1 box that I'm Jordan, do something different with this box, man. Damn. And off the bat, you see the tumble effect. So maybe the ones that came out in Chicago had a little more tumble, but I ain't mad at this tumble. So as you can see, it looks like two different shoes. The Homage to Homes. On this side right here, you got your brand ones. On this side right here, you got your Chicago ones. So I guess Jordan wanted to put together the two Chicago looking ones. Homage to Home. So it comes with your dub bag, red shoestrings. I probably won't even waste my time with that. You got your Scarface look, black and white tongue with your red Nike. Your regular Jordan shoe tree. Your insole, 10.5, means it belonged to me. Give y'all 360. That's the Chicago look. Not too much tumble there. The toe box has a little bit of tumble, a little bit of bounce back. And I think your bread side has the most tumble. But it definitely got that, last night I took an L, but today I bounced back leather on the toe box. So like again I said, the difference is the Chicago ones has a number in the inside, and it has 2 here, and on the other pair, it has from. Now I ain't hating because Chicago deserve to get their own pair or their own selected few because 6 rings, Jordan Chicago, that made sense. So I ain't hating on that. But I ain't hating on this leather neither, man. This leather's tumble. This is tumble leather on this. And this damn sure look like Scarface. That look like the credit scenes when Scarface is going off right there. So I like them. Out of a 10, I give it an 8, only because some of the bad stuff I hear about this sneaker is true. You look at this toe box, it could look like a clown shoe a little bit. It do remind you of a clown. But if Scarface is an iconic movie to you like it is to me, you gonna think it look like Scarface before you think it look like a clown. Will I wear these a lot? No, but this is a good shoe. Like I said, it's 8 out of 10 to me. Let me know in that comment section below, did you cop? If you didn't cop, I wanna know why you didn't cop. Did they sell out, or do you really think they look like clown shoes, or they just not for you? Every sneaker not gonna be for everybody. But again, this is your Jordan 1, Homage to Home, non-numbered pair. And the leather looks great. So I'ma holler at my man Breakable Kicks and find out, cause he got a couple of the numbered pair. I'ma find out. I wanna know. Cause his comparisons, his opinion is one that matters to me. I wanna see if he thinks the non-number and the number compare as far as tumbleness. The only other difference is the from and the 2 on the back and the number. That's the only difference. But those Jordan 1 Homage to Homes look like these. So all these Homage to Home slides, all these Scarface slides. What y'all think? Now all the people who say these look like clown shoes, you gotta tell me why these don't look like clown slides. You gotta explain that to me. I love Scarface. I think Scarface is the classic. I was in a sneaker Facebook group the other day and a guy told me that Scarface is overrated. and so are these Jordan 1 homages. A lot of people feel that way. I want to know how y'all feel. Like I said, I think they're 8 out of 10. I like the slides, and I damn sure like the Jordan 1 homage to Holmes. And at $172 price tag, who's gonna complain, man? Yeah, so those are your Jordan 1 homage to Holmes. A lot of debate about if they look good or not. But besides that, I'm waiting on UPS as we talk. They coming to deliver my Jordan 1 off-white Unks. That's UNC for non-sneakerheads. Once I get those out the box, I'm coming right back in front of this camera, give y'all a good review on those, because I think those come out June 9th. I got lucky. Gonna shoot y'all that. And other than that, I told y'all once I hit 1,500 subscribers, I'm giving away a pair of crepe crates. To my surprise, we had 2,500 and counting. I appreciate all the love. Soon as them crepe crates come from me, because they come all the way from Canada, I believe. Once I get them, I'm gonna upload how do y'all into the giveaway to receive the crepe crates. But besides that, these right here, these Yeezy Power Phases, I'm getting rid of them for retail, man. Retail, $120. I'm not a reseller, I'm none of that. I'm just the type that believe in, if you don't wear your sneakers in 6 months, like if I purchase a sneaker and I don't get to wear it in 6 months, I'm gonna give it away to somebody. Well, not give it away. I'm gonna sell it just like the store sell it to you, retail plus shipping, retail plus tax or whatever, for that same price, because there's some people out there that really want the sneaker. So that's what I do. And y'all can call me out on it. If y'all ever see a sneaker here and it look like it just been sitting for 6 months and I ain't get it dirty a little bit, holla at me in the comment section, email, Instagram, whatever, and inquire about them, and I'll let you know. I got a 6-month waiting rule. If you hit 6 months, you're gone. So those Adidas, Power Phase, Calabasas, Yeezys, so many damn names for them, they're out of here. If you're interested in them, hit me in the comment section below at Cino718, $120 plus shipping. That's what I paid for them. That's what you pay for them. They're yours. As you already know, thousandaire, get rich. Go check out Rockstar Bracelets on Instagram. Good quality, inexpensive bracelets that you can buy and afford. Get rich.
No, we got one, baby.
Getting money is my BFF. I done sold more drugs than CVS. Now we on the bigger, better things. Busy, but my bills paid. 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 I'm like MJ, but I don't fade. Busy, but my bills paid. Busy, but my bills paid. Busy, but my bills paid. Closed mouths don't get fed, that's what mom said. Busy, but my bills paid. Get rich, we the cream team. More shooters than the dream team. Maury Flow, they don't care who to pop. I've been winning so long, I need a Wheaties box. We could take it there, Uber driver. My shorty so wet, I'm a scuba diver. Iced out chain, but the flow lava. When it come to super pay, I'm the supervisor. Busy, but my bills pay. Busy, but my bills pay. I win like MJ, but I don't fade. Busy, but my bills pay. Busy, but my bills pay. Yeah. Busy, but my bills pay. Closed mouths don't get fed, that's what mom said. Busy, but my bills pay. I stay on top, missionary. I just tell her how it is, dictionary. 550 bins with the fresh beard, and the doors pop open like Obama is. Pocket so fat,
clumps. The watch presidential, Trump. Plus I got the pump, dump. So you better run, Forrest Gump. Busy, but my bills pay. Busy, but my bills pay. I win like MJ, but I don't fade. Busy, but my bills pay. Busy, but my bills pay. Yeah. Busy, but my bills pay. Closed mouths don't get fed, that's what mom said. Busy, but my bills pay. Catch me in the cut puffin' shisha, and I still get 5 for the feature. Can't score like this from the bleachers. And my kick game on FIFA. Brooklyn boy and it won't stop. I let my milli rock on any block. And my shit's sturdy. Do say body cases, no attorney. Busy, but my bills pay. Busy, but my bills pay. I win like MJ, but I don't fade. Busy, but my bills pay. Busy, but my bills pay. Yeah. Busy, but my bills pay. Closed mouths don't get fed, that's what mom said. Busy, but my bills pay. Getting money is my BFF. I done sold more drugs than CVS. Now we on the bigger, better things. Busy, but my bills pay.
New on the track.